Do you need fast, consistent results for all your recipes? Summit Edge with Power Blend can blend even your toughest recipes to perfection, delivering speed of service, quiet operation, and one-touch convenience to every location and application. Combining a powerful 3.5 peak horsepower motor and our unique container, Power Blend is an innovative technology that delivers fast blend times and a creamy profile. From green smoothies to acai bowls, all operators, including new hires, can achieve the same results every single time. To keep your operation ultra-quiet, Summit Edge features our advanced Quiet Blend technology to significantly reduce sound, improving order accuracy and store ambiance. Trusted worldwide, the Summit exclusive Auto Blend makes your drinks with just one touch. It automatically stops blending when the drinks reach the desired consistency. The easy-to-use capacitive touchpad offers simplified, intuitive navigation for operators across the world. Custom programs can be easily uploaded via USB port. Summit Edge was built to last, with features to improve your daily operations and reduce labor costs. Built-in sensors help to extend clutch life, and stackable containers free up your counter space. With the easily removable Quiet Shield, Summit Edge is easy to use and clean. Backed by our worldwide warranty, Summit Edge is your perfect business partner. Summit Edge is here to help you achieve fast and consistent results, blending even your toughest recipes. Every location, every employee, every single time. Now that's good thinking. To find out more about our products, warranties, accessories, and other technical information, visit our website at hamiltonbeachcommercial.com.